Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble-handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
With Lincoln Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln Certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln Certified vehicle can offer you.